Welcome to the course CODESYS 1, Introduction to PLC Programming. This beginner PLC course has been developed in partnership with WAGO to teach you everything you need to know to start writing PLC programs with CODESYS. WAGO is a leading manufacturer of automation technology, including CODESYS-compatible PLC hardware. If you're interested, you can read more about WAGO using the link to WAGO's website in the description below. This course is designed to teach absolute beginners the skills they need to be competent PLC programmers. After following this course, you will have installed the CODESYS development environment, know how to write basic PLC programs using CODESYS, know how to test PLC applications using a physical PLC and a PLC simulator, know how to create and use a simple web visualization, and be ready to take more advanced CODESYS courses to learn about advanced features of CODESYS. Upon completing the course, you will be issued an official certificate of completion from WAGO to certify that you are trained in the basics of CODESYS. At this point, you will be prepared to learn about more advanced PLC programming topics. Also, you can continue learning about CODESYS, WAGO, and PLC programming using WAGO's online training portal, which is linked in the description of this video. Since the course is certified by WAGO, a manufacturer of automation hardware, you may be wondering if you need any hardware to follow this course. Let's look at exactly what you need in terms of hardware and software to follow this course. One of the reasons that CODESYS is such a popular platform for beginners to learn PLC programming is that the CODESYS development environment is completely free to download and use. This means that you don't need to purchase any expensive software licenses to learn PLC programming with CODESYS. In the next section, we will show you how to download and install the CODESYS development environment. In terms of hardware, there is a hardware section of the course that shows you how to work with the WAGO CC100, short for Compact Controller, PLC. This section explains the basics of working with PLC hardware, including setting up the PLC, downloading the application to the PLC, and testing the application with the physical PLC. To get the most value out of this section, we highly recommend that you purchase a WAGO CC100 PLC from the RealPARS marketplace, so that you can follow along with the lessons. You can find the link to the starter kit in the description below. If you cannot purchase a physical PLC, you can still watch these lessons and follow along with the rest of the course by using the built-in PLC simulator that is available in the CODESYS development environment. Now that you know what you need to follow this course, let's talk about who the course was developed for. We created CODESYS 1, Introduction to PLC Programming, for complete beginners. If you have a lot of experience with programming PLCs from other manufacturers, and you just want to learn how to program CODESYS-compatible PLCs, then this course is probably not for you. If this description fits you, and you're looking for a quick start guide to using advanced features of CODESYS, then we highly recommend that you pick up a copy of the Book of CODESYS, a very thorough guide to the advanced features of CODESYS written by our friend and collaborator, Gary Pratt. You can pick up your copy of the Book of CODESYS from the RealPARS marketplace, using the link in the description of this video. The people who will get the most value from this course are people who are technical but do not have any PLC programming experience. Usually, these are people who have a technical education, like engineering graduates or electricians, but haven't had a chance to get their hands dirty with actual PLC programming work. Other times, these are people who work with automation systems and want to learn more about how they work and how to program them, like operators, technicians, and mechanical engineers. If none of these descriptions fit you, but you're still interested in learning about PLC programming, then you are more than welcome to follow the course. All of the important concepts are explained from first principles in an easy-to-understand and easy-to-digest way. In this lesson, I provided you with a quick overview of CODESYS 1, Introduction to PLC Programming, including an overview of the contents of the course, an explanation of what you need to follow the course, and a description of who the course is for. In the next lesson, we will look in more detail at exactly what you will learn in CODESYS 1, Introduction to PLC Programming, and how the course is structured. See you there.